Here's how to delete automatic call recorder on Android in just 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can completely remove an automatic call recorder from your phone so your calls stop being recorded without your permission. If you're seeing recorded calls saved automatically or notifications you didn't expect, this guide will help you fix it quickly. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the main settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps or Applications where you'll see a full list of everything installed on your device. Look carefully for any app related to call recording. It may be called Automatic Call Recorder, Phone Recorder, or something similar. Once you find it, tap on the app to open its details page. Next, tap on Install. If your phone asks for confirmation, select OK or Uninstall again to proceed. This removes the app from your phone and stops it from recording future calls. If the uninstall option is grayed out, tap Disable instead. Some call recorders come pre-installed or are bundled with the system, and disabling them prevents them from running or recording anything in the background. On some phones, especially Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo, call recording is built directly into the phone app, not a separate app. In this case, you won't see an automatic call recorder in your app list. Instead, open the phone app. Tap the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then look for Call Recording. From there, turn off options like Automatic Recording or Recording Announcements to fully stop calls from being recorded. After removing or disabling any call recorder, go back to Settings, then Apps, and review other apps that may have access to your microphone or call logs. Make sure only trusted apps have these permissions. Removing unnecessary access helps prevent call recording from being re-enabled without your knowledge. Finally, restart your phone. This refreshes the system and ensures the call recorder is fully removed or disabled. Once your phone turns back on, make a quick test call and check that no recording notification appears and no call files are being saved. If everything looks normal, the automatic call recorder has been successfully deleted. This process works on most modern Android phones and doesn't require any technical skills. In just a few minutes, you can stop unwanted call recordings and regain control over your privacy every time you make or receive a call.